Hello everyone, welcome back sa ating course. So for today, explain ko naman kung ano ang pinagkaiba ng social media engager at ng social media marketer. So ang social media engager, basically nag-engage ka. So nagre-reply ka sa mga private messages, nagre-reply ka sa mga comments and tweets, nagre-reply ka sa mga queries, mostly engaging with your fans. Sa mga commenters or those who share the posts and liking their posts, liking their comments, responding queries, basically you're just engaging them. So ito kasi yung social media manager na parang next level siya sa engager. So ang SMM kasi, it consists a lot of tasks like creating and schedule contents. Ikaw gagawa ng captions, videos, graphics, layouts na pinapost sa mga social media platforms, photo editing. So, ikaw po talaga ang mag-engage and ikaw ang magre-respond sa mga direct messages, comments, and kasama na dito is yung magbibigay ka ng analytic reports. So, i-explain ko po yan sa next lesson ng analytic reports. Next is, aside from that, so ito po yung couple of things na ginagawa ng isang social media manager. So, next is the role of marketer. So, purpose naman ito is to sell something. Dapat may conversion. So, focus po nito is mag-sell para makakuha ng benta. While yung social media manager naman for brand awareness lang at walang conversion. And ang marketer kasi, sila yung nag-handle ng mga Facebook ads. Yan sila. Then sila yung nagre-reach ng mga influencers, pati na rin sa Instagram ads para makamarket or makabenta. So, ito po ang purpose ng marketer. So, next is how to become a social media manager as SM or SMM without experience on it. So, kung wala ka pang experience, kung expert ka sa Facebook, if you like using Instagram, kung gumagamit ka ng Instagram, you know how to use TikTok. So, sa generation natin ngayon, no, trending na trending ang TikTok kahit bata pa, elementary. So, Twitter, YouTube, kung alam kahit isa dyan, pwede ka maging social media manager.